Kicking things off? Tired of dull weekends? Craft your own bird paradise with the Cedar Birdhouse building kit. Unleash creativity with its exquisite design and real wood. Elevate family bonding under the sun while constructing a garden masterpiece. Transform those ordinary Sundays into enchanting art sessions right in your backyard. Next, spice up your garden. The Bird Feeder Hanging Kit lets you invite a symphony of chirps to your yard. Its hexagon, charm, and sunshade protect avian guests while you marvel at nature's show. Fill with seeds, hang, and watch your outdoor space come alive with color and melody. Experience birdwatching like never before. All for $11.38. Then, imagine hosting bird tea parties with the Bird Bath Bowl with Stand. Its antique charm and robust build invite flocks to refresh and delight. Witness delicate splashes in the generous basin, elegantly offering respite to your feathered friends. Add old-world allure to your garden and enchant both birds and guests alike. Let's not forget, do you crave vibrant backyard visitors year-round? Wild Birdseed Mix Tentacles is your answer. Its rich blend attracts cardinals, sparrows, and more, filling your space with lively color. Packed with nutrients, this mix ensures your garden bursts with life, creating a mesmerizing, cinematic bird spectacle season after season. To wrap it up, elevate your birdwatching passion with Adorgan 1242 HD binoculars. Capture vivid views, wildlife, and stunning landscapes effortlessly. With clear, low-light vision, reveal hidden wonders even after dusk. From vivid feathers to distant pals, embark on thrilling adventures, thanks to these mighty yet lightweight binoculars. All links are in the description. Tap like to save this list.